Repeat what you said.
Okay, so it's not a complete science. There's an art to it, right? So whenever you fail a test, you have to shop. You should be testing to verify that you're passing. So you should test every month until you pass 2 in a row. Not every chair, but every time that chair passes, it's 2 in a row, right? So then you go to quarterly testing. So you can use it. You're using ProEdge Quick Test. I left some samples of ours in there. It's called MyCheck. Same thing. Those are indicator tests.
Right.
They're not truly water tests. They're not a lab test. But we do have a lab test, and it's done with R2A methodology, which is the gold standard of water testing. You take the samples, you mail it overnight. We get the samples. It takes about 5 days to incubate, and then they give you a reading. And they give you pretty detailed. I showed Sam one from one of my other customers. It gives you a summary sheet that shows you the pH balance of the water, shows you the TDS of the water, it shows you the bacterial count inside the water, and then it shows you the petri dishes of what that bacteria looks like. We hold on to those for 7 years. Then we take them off our computer and store them in backup for forever, as far as I know. And you should put a copy of that in your OSHA manual, or if you have an offline repository, you should put it in there. One thing is a patient came in here and said, we traced it back this infection I got, and it came from your office. Do you have records to prove it did or didn't? So if you're testing all the time, you can prove this is when you said you came in and we were clean beforehand and we were clean afterwards. It wasn't our water, you know, so it's a level of liability protection for you as well. But you just want to make sure you're doing the right thing. So